What is going on? Jim, channel helper. Here I am, 53-year-old guy, been a teacher for a long time, love learning about technology, love learning about a lot of things. In particular, I really enjoy YouTube. So this is what we're doing. I'm doing a daily upload challenge and I'm recording day 15. I've made it this far. As you can tell, I'm a little weathered because I woke up from a nap, so I got my bed head going on. And if you don't like that, that's okay. But I'm very real right now. So in today's video, we are back into YouTube Studio, and we're gonna take a look at a video that is popping off for me. Yes. First of all, 25 subscribers. I'm psyched. I'm very, very excited. It's interesting, isn't it? Because most people get excited when they hit the first 1,000 or blah blah blah. This is awesome. I appreciate it. And also, the video that's taken off, it's Vanity Metrics. I think it's like 300 views. Pretty blown away. I did do the thumbnail YouTube testing. I think that is definitely helping with the views. But, you know, there's a downside, but I'm not surprised because people don't know me. And if they do know me, they might click off anyway. A lot of views are coming in, a lot of clicks, some comments, some subs, but just a lot of like, who's this guy? 10-second looky look, and that's it. Well, that's not nice. But that's all right, because this is how it is, the land of digital. All right, we're going to go to the video that is going viral. Where are you? Bum, ba-da-dum. All right, so interesting. So on my phone app, it said 300. So don't like start yelling at me, be like, Jim, you're lying. No. This is saying 286. Let's get to the bottom of this. Still, whatever it is, this was published April 15th. Today's the... I don't know. The 18th. So that's exciting. All right. So I'm going to click on this. What are we going to be doing? We're going to go right to analytics. Yep. All right. And if you're new to YouTube, get into this YouTube Studio thing. Yeah, you got to get into it. You got to know what's going on. All right. So I'm excited. Let's take a look. 310 views. So we're seeing 310 here. 296, 286, this is 297. We'll go 310 views. I'm sure it's the YouTube systems trying to catch, like getting all the info. All right, so this is 290 more than usual. So we were going to call this a breakout video or something like that, breakaway, first pack. Whatever it is, I did do some research, and I had a feeling this was going to pop off because a lot of other creators were doing this, creators I don't know, and I'm kind of like, this is a little suspicious. I still think it is kind of suspicious, but we're willing, us, content creators, are willing to try, learn, do everything to get eyeballs on our content. So here we are. Watch time, 4.9. Awesome. All right, what do we want to do first? Let's go to how viewers found this video, traffic sources. We have YouTube recommendations, YouTube home up next. That's exciting. They're serving it there. Of course, we have the direct unknown, channel pages, YouTube search, which is kind. I have not really thought about optimizing for search yet. I'm kind of going the other way. I'm kind of going like interest-based, who's clicking, audience, age. Search engine optimization is awesome. That's going to be a long game for me. All right, now do we have spikes? Oh, look, well, this is going to be fun. Finally, we got some data on this channel. All right. This down here, this looks like an AI thing. Ugh, could be good. All right, so average view duration, 59 seconds. Yeah. People, really? But anyway, look at this. We got a lot of action here. Wow. All right, so someone went to 94%. I bet I was showing data. I mean, who wants to see my pretty face? All right, so this is really, really important. In fact, we've seen the famous thumbnails where they have like, what just happened? All right, I don't know. We see famous thumbnails where they have the hockey stick. This is not a hockey stick. This is like, I don't know, a bunch of Legos scattered on a floor. This is awesome. A lot of peak moments. We got intro. I don't really have an intro. We got spikes. Spikes. It's because of my pretty face. What's going on here? I'm going to go ahead and click save. And once I click save, it's all done. And I'm hoping for a lot of views. Because some creators say you're giving up thousands of views. Oh, am I? I don't know why it's doing that. Sorry. I don't want to be negative. I don't. I hope it helps. All right, we'll be back in 3 or 4 days. Well, in your case, I'll just edit and you'll hear me. Luckily, you in a few seconds. Annoying. What's going on? I couldn't wait, everybody. All right, so what's happening? Viewers are just getting to the meat of things, which is totally fine. And this is on YouTube side. It's updating, so it constantly does that. Just, sorry. We'll look at that as a jump cut, how this is happening. Probably happen again. I'm not touching anything, I promise. So this retention graph is very interesting. It's very spiky. It's kind of cactusy. I've never seen anything like it. But this is kind of fun. We like the flatlining. I should tell you guys the story when I flatlined once, Jim. Just stamp point. 47% at the 2-minute mark. Oh, okay. Here, this is pretty good. So when I go back to my videos, I will really think about why that's happening. And I'm gathering that's happening because I'm giving knowledge. Okay. I know that I'm very, very funny, but we're here for the knowledge. I was cynical and I'm going to do more testing. Funny looking. So anyway, I'm Jim and I'm all about technology and learning. And this is... All right, so I kind of introduced myself in the middle of the video. That's special. I believe day 11, and I did a little published technique. This video that I decided to not launch for, I waited click-through rate. It's reaching a wider audience. So YouTube's really pushing this out. And I even got a sub from watch this. A wider audience. So all right, we got a little B-roll here. We have people scrolling, and then I have my click-through rate. It's reaching a wider audience. Sharing some YouTube analytics. All right, so this is great. It puts me in a good mood. That's why you'll hear content creators like, oh, if you watch through the end, you'll gain all these great, wonderful steps. Basically, us content creators are saying, please watch to the end because it won't destroy my video and my channel. I just think you have to have thick skin, and just go for stuff because you can't control what people are going to do. You can't. All right, so I'm going to do a refresh because we're used to the jump cuts. I bet I have 5,000 views by now. It doesn't matter. Oh, 312. That's exciting. All right, so reach tab time. So we kind of touched upon that in the first channel. Oh, we have a test going on that's coming in too. This is very exciting with my new AI tracking camera. Oh, it's not working now. That's too bad. Well, nothing crashed. So we have browse features and channel pages. There are a lot of browse features. This is what oh, look at that. YouTube's really trying. 4,000 impressions. Exciting. 10.7% from YouTube recommending your content. Excellent. All right. And then we can see what is suggested. All right. Lots to do here, but we're going to just stick to it. The thumbnail. All right. We have 53%. Doesn't matter. 46%. Really? I'm going to keep testing, but the doesn't matter, that definitely is controversial, so that's pretty good. If this was a higher percentage break, I'd probably just go to this one, but I'm going to keep that. So my question to anyone watching still, that's awesome. Is it the content, is it the creator, or is it the thumbnail test? I'm going to report back soon and see what happens. See you in day 16 because I'm going crazy doing this every day.